So this is a tour of the apartment that we have for rent right now in the Upper Haight. So this is the kitchen, and it's very conveniently designed and with a nice stove, and everything is close. A good sitting area here, which is open to a big living room area. There's a large closet, which is big enough for a dresser or whatever you want to put in it. There's still some Victorian detailing. This is a Victorian and the ceilings are very high. But that detailing was taken out by somebody else. So this renovation was done by the owner. But the detailing had already been removed. This is the bedroom. It has wood paneling. All the walls are veneciano. Both rooms have quadraphonic sound. And there's 2 workstations, but one can be removed, but you only need 1 workstation. There's a very large closet with built-in cubbies. And the bed is a queen and it's built in. The bathroom is also veneciano blue with German glass tile. So I hope this helps.